there. Thank you for being here. I'm sending you bright blessings of the highest vibration. Today's presentation is about smudging. Smudging is a Native American tradition that involves the burning of dried sage. White sage is most commonly used. Not only does sage contain antimicrobials that neutralize viruses and other impurities from the airspace, it also neutralizes all the electrical currents from the thoughts, moods, and emotions of all the people and all the pets that have been inside the home. For example, if you go over to your friend's house and they live with someone who is always thinking negative, or they're all doom and gloom, or they're angry, then that house, the energy of that house, will feel thick, dark, and heavy. And if you're an empath or a highly sensitive person, then you will pick up on this on some level and you will be impacted. Just like after an argument or an emotional outburst, you still feel a dark cloud hanging around because the electrical currents are still there. You cannot see them, but you can feel them, and they are still there until they are neutralized and discharged. So it is super important that you smudge your house on a regular basis. Just like it's important to clean your house on a regular basis. A clean house is a happy, healthy house, and that includes the mood and the atmosphere of the home. Now, when you begin to smudge, you're going to call in your angels, your guides, and your higher self to help assist you in purifying your space and transforming it into a physical sacred place of peace and joy. Light your sage. And then you're going to want to blow on it to get it smoking really, really good. Declare lower frequencies, vibrations, and entities be removed from your home and erase demonic forces, evil entities, dark spirits, and negative energies. Be gone. I erase, delete, and banish thee across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. Never return. Smudging with intention creates super luminous energies. It clears out and neutralizes all the dark, heavy energies that are inside your home. Saging is an interactive activity that is highly effective at transforming the kinetic particle charges that are floating around the airspace of your home. Because living with the same sets of EMFs day in and day out will keep you stuck in the same reality. So you want to clear out those negative dark energies. You want to bring in lighter, brighter energies. You want your home to vibrate at the frequency of love and above. Declare bright golden white ascension light of the highest vibration. I call forth bright golden ascension light of the highest vibration to be within, through, and all around. 360 degrees like a bubble. This is powerful stuff. If you'd like to know more ways to cleanse and clear your house, then stroll on over to missionascension.com. There's an in-depth, comprehensive program that you can sign up for. This workshop includes everything about house clearing, smudging, and much more. Everything that you need to thoroughly and completely revamp the energy of your home. The most important place on the planet, where you sleep, where you eat, where you live, your home. So check it out. It's missionascension.com. Thank you very much for connecting with me here today. I appreciate you. Please push like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a mystical, magical day.